Hello, welcome and namaskar to all the viewers who are watching this video. My name is Ayush Banerjee and welcome back to this brand new episode of BeshGo Prime Time. But before we begin with today's video, I would like to ask all the viewers to hit that red subscribe button and enable the notification options to stay updated as to when we upload our next video. So without wasting further much ado, let's get this video going. So hello and welcome to everyone who's watching this. Welcome to BeshGo's Primetime episode number 2. And today in this video, the main topic that we're going to discuss about is how soft skills is not merely now just a matter of a skill that you need to put on your job application or your resume and has grown out of it manifolds. But before we jump right into the main story, let's have the word for the day.
So, today's word of the day is rapport. Rapport is all about establishing a positive connection between the speaker and the audience. You know, Ayush, the point is, all people need and want to feel like you have their best interest in mind, and establishing good rapport creates an environment where there is mutual understanding. Let me tell you, Ayush, that it is important to build rapport with your client or colleague as it gets their unconscious mind to accept and begin to process your suggestions. They are made to feel comfortable and relaxed, open to suggestions.
Well, that was quite interesting. Now getting on to the main story, wherein we discuss about how soft skills have grown out of just being cited as a skill or a side skill on your resume to become one of the most crucial elements of your job resume or application. Well, let me begin with a short story on this note. Martin was a fresh graduate who graduated and got placed into a very reputed firm. In his initial weeks and months, he spent days and nights learning about all the training modules that he had been given, and under the shadowing of his experienced colleagues, he got an understanding of all the duties and deliverables that he had towards his clients and customer base. And in some time, Martin was confident enough to go to the clients solo and talk to them, considering the fact that he had knowledgeable and experienced colleagues at speaking distances. In a few weeks, the pandemic hit, and the entire team was asked to work from home virtually and re-evaluate their approach towards their customers. Now, without a set schedule or clear process to follow, Martin found it really difficult to adapt to this situation, of this new situation wherein they had to work from home. So now Martin started to call up all his experienced colleagues frequently to get an answer or a resolution towards the struggles that he was facing. But to his surprise, everyone was busy resolving their own problems and developing their own new approaches towards their own client base and customer base. Overwhelmed and unsure about what to do, Martin's work started to get piled up, and soon enough, the customers started coming back and started to report about Martin's lack of responsiveness. Well, soft skills, as we know, have been known to us as how we work in our professional environment, including the way we critically think or analyze any situation, do the decision-making process, creatively analyze any given situation and take out a creative resolution out of it, or for that matter, even the time management that we talk about. Everything falls under the realm of soft skills. Now, something that had been considered as a nice to have in a job applicant has now suddenly become a must have for the employers of companies. In a world that is constantly evolving and changing, it is very core and foundational for any new hiree to be able to adapt to any given kind of situation that is coming up, irrespective of the industry or the specialty that he has been working in. And employers say this too. According to a Gallup poll that is linked down below in the video description, 96% of university leaders cite that they are preparing their students to be workplace ready. However, around only 11% of business leaders actually agree and strongly vouch this statement. On the contrary, around 96% of the employers believe that in order to achieve success and excellence in their companies, a candidate's demonstrated capacity to critically think, communicate clearly, manage time judiciously is something that actually is something that is given more weightage than actually their majors in their undergrads. So what do we come to know from this short story? Well, it is very simple. People are now understanding the need of the hour, the soft skills of the people or the new people who are getting inside the job, or for that matter, anyone who seeks success in their organization or in the company that they are working or serving in. So now, wherein we come into picture? We here at BeigeGo have prepared world's first patent pending AI powered soft skills assessment, wherein you don't have to take long hours of MCQ based tests, but in a way share your expression and emotions in the much natural format, that is to shoot your video and share it on our portal. Once you do that and enroll for our assessment, you get an exhaustive report with detailed analytics of all the soft skills that you have and how you can improve upon and where all you need improvements in real world. We also provide a hand-holding support with our 21 days mind hacking blueprint challenge, which will actually help you and guide through the entire 21 days with a series of assessments happening in between to track your performance of improved soft skills over the time. And the best part, since the entire solution is powered by artificial intelligence, our solution remains entirely unbiased and actually gets curated based on your requirements. So this is why our soft skills assessment is something that you should look up to if you want to improve upon your soft skills and at least know what are your strengths and your weaknesses. Because once you're aware of your weaknesses, that is the first step towards improving yourself. If you think that this test is not for you right now, I highly recommend you to visit our website, that is www.beigego.com, and download our free ebook on soft skills so as to understand why soft skills are actually making this entire buzz around the employment sector. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share your ideas, thoughts and comments down below in the comment section. All the useful links have been attached down below in the video description, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button and enable the notification option to stay updated with all our latest uploads on YouTube, and don't forget to follow us on all other social media handles as well to stay updated. That's all for this video. It's me, Ayush Banerjee, signing off on behalf of BeigeGo. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye now.